All right, you guys. I'm right here with my first food review. My first food. So I went to Burger King. I seen on the TV they had some new chicken wraps. So I went to Burger King and guess what, you guys? I ain't get all of them. I just got the honey mustard. I'm gonna try the honey mustard at first. So let me set y'all up so we get a review, a good review of these new chicken wraps, y'all. You know I'm a fan of chicken wraps. Also, I got a duo, the two juniors. I don't get the whole I would, but the juniors will do for me. Got two of them, nice fries, nice crispy. Look at that. He gave me a small Sprite. I know I pay for a lot, but it's cool. I don't need all the soda anyway. I gotta go back in there. No good. So, okay, you guys. I'll go for the wrap. Let's open it. Let you guys see honey mustard. They put honey. You see that? It's a honey mustard. A little chicken finger. A whole tomato. That's a whole tomato. With this a half a chicken strip, not even a whole one. I paid $3.99 for this. And they gave me a half a chicken strip. Let's try it, you guys. I'm gonna have to give it another bite because, like I said, they gave me a half a chicken strip. Look. The sandwich was good. I'm in the wrap. But it's not enough. So I'm about to go ahead and add. Let's try this thing right quick. The joint is always there every time. You know why they ask you, do you want cheese? Because it don't need cheese. Don't need cheese at all. I'm about to take y'all with me. That don't make no sense. $3.99 for a half a chicken strip. That's absurd. Excuse me. How you doing? I'm with a man. Can I get the manager?
Manager?
Yeah.
Who wants pizza in there?
This Sprite ain't no good though. Can I get another soda? Huh? You the manager?
Yeah.
I was calling because I paid $3 for a chicken. I paid $3 for a chicken wrap, and y'all gave me a half a chicken wrap in the middle of the wrap. $3 for half a chicken strip in the middle of the wrap. It don't even fill up the whole thing. Huh?
If you pay attention in the picture, about what it is, the chicken cut in half. See it?
Yeah, and that's a half a wrap. The picture showing a half a wrap. My chicken strip ain't even hang out the bag. There's supposed to be 2 of them. The wrap long.
Hold it for less than lower if you want.
Let me get a fancy. I'm just saying, you know that ain't right. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. At least get the same size the wraps. The wraps bigger than the, you know what I mean? Yeah, the spray ain't no good though.
Yeah, everybody been saying the Sprite.
I don't know why. I mean, if y'all know that, don't keep serving it, right?
That's only the Sprite we have.
Huh?
That's only the Sprite we have. We don't have
It is. You can do. You can't. You don't have to serve it if it's no good. Come on, man. Makes sense. If it's no good, don't serve it. You know it's no good. You just like you just saying you gonna give people anything. You hear this, you guys? You hear this for yourself. The manager said, he says nothing he could do. He gonna have to keep serving the Sprite. If you know it's no good, why you keep serving it? See this Burger King? It's a lawsuit. It's a vicious lawsuit, and he don't care. You know what I mean? He told me look at the picture. I looked at the picture, and it looked like the wraps they got. 2 chicken strips can fit on there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get back to my, all you gotta do is tell the customers, we don't have Sprite. He says nothing we could do. That's all we got. He's a bad manager, you guys. So I'm back at it. We back with it. You feel me? All right, let's see how this Sprite do. I'm at this orange, half of orange. Yeah. Give you that, what's the name? Give you that crunch. So I left my burger out. Still got the J-Bag. Not right. How these people that treat you at these restaurants. Especially the ones that know that they go to restaurants themselves. You know what I'm saying? When I treat somebody wrong and bad, or try to serve them something that you know could jeopardize the company. You lose your job, stuff like that. The fries are so good, I didn't even need ketchup, you guys. Then get mad. Look at that. Junior Whopper. And then get mad when you say something. Stand up for yourself. How you gonna get mad at me? If I gave you something like that in my restaurant, you will come back and do the same thing. I want y'all to let me know in the comments below. Why? We all like to do one thing. Just eat and enjoy your food. If you ain't got good customer service, do something. Then they ain't got to be dealing with people, you know? I'm just frustrated, you guys, at this point. At the end of the day, we live and we learn, you know? I won't be coming back there no more. So, let me know in the comments below how y'all feel about the guy at Burger King trying to do anything, give people anything. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'll be back with another mukbang.